Okay, so I've installed Server 2008 on my virtual machine, sorry. What I'll be doing next is adding rules to the server, namely Active Directories and DNS. But before I do that, I'd like to clone this instance or a particular instance of the virtual machine that we have created. Cloning the particular state that I'm cloning, or instance of the virtual machine that I'm cloning, is the one where I've already installed the Server 2008 operating system on it, as well as the guest edition. So I want to clone that. So I'm clicking on the sheep in the above menu bar. It says welcome to the virtual machine clone wizard. This is going to take me through the cloning process. I'm going to check reinitialize the MAC address of all network cards, because if I use this other server in the domain that I'm going to create when I install the Active Directories on the DC1 server DC1, I don't want to have a situation whereby you have two servers with the same MAC addresses. That's going to cause a lot of problems. Also, while I am cloning the virtual machine, it's going to be a lot easier than having to create a virtual machine and install the operating system all over again. I'm doing a full clone. You can create a link clone, which is linked to the parent machine, if you will. But I'm doing a full clone. I'll go next. I want to clone the current machine state. Please choose which parts of the virtual machine should be cloned. If you select current machine state, only the current state of the virtual machine is cloned. If you select all states, the current machine state and all snapshots of a clone. I'm just cloning the current machine state, right? I go again and I say clone, and here you see a cloning process has begun. So as I said, this option is a lot easier, I think, than having to create an next virtual machine and go through the whole installation process of the server operating system on as I did with Server08 DC1. What is going to allow me to do is I'm going to have a virtual machine with the server operating system installed on it. I can possibly, if I choose, replicate, have a pair domain controller in the domain that I'm going to create with DC1. What I'm going to be doing with the clone machine basically is using it to demonstrate one of the means by which you can install Active Directory by automating the process. So this is actually my whole idea behind cloning the machine, or the reason why I decided to clone machine. As I said, I expect the cloning process to be a lot quicker, notwithstanding it says 57 minutes remaining. You'll see exactly how long it takes. This is the first time I'm doing a cloning a virtual machine, so you know, it's going to be new for me, it's going to be new for you, provided you haven't done it before, I should say. Okay, so the cloning process has been completed. As you can see, I have a new clone, Server08 DC1 clone. So if I were to power on that machine, there you go. So it's Control Alt Delete, and I enter the password, and it's the same. It uses the same password as the original machine. So as you can see, the cloning has been successful. So I now have two virtual machines with the Windows Server 2008 operating system installed on them. I'm going to shut this down and return to my original machine. Alright, there you have it.